Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and we're back for some more Oblivion guides. Today I'm going to show you an even easier way to drag and drop duplicate items inside Oblivion using any container. And by any container, I literally mean that because you can even use a dead body. Anything that you can open up like a box and put stuff in and out of, like a barrel, a crate, a chest, whatever, this method will work. So let's pick the item that I want to duplicate. Because there's all sorts of stuff that might be useful, especially things like potions of healing. So I want more potions of healing. So I'm going to click this to put one potion of healing in this dead Daedroth. And I'm going to use an item that I have a number of stacks of. So in this case, I'm going to use the repair hammer. Because I have 34 repair hammer, and if I use this, I will get back 35 potions of healing, or 34. It's funky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this hammer into the box, and then I'm going to click continue, but nothing happened. The hammer's not in the box. Well, that's because I dragged it onto the healing potion, so now if I click the healing potion to take it back out of the box, now if I look over here, now I have 34 potions of healing because it just duplicates the number on whatever stack I used to duplicate it with. And that's all you gotta do. You don't need a controller or anything, although you can do this using the controller methodology on Xbox and also PlayStation. So that being it for this one, ladies and gentlemen, I've been your host, Larry. This has been a brief look at how to easily duplicate items. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.